Why do we sneeze, and what happens in our body when we do? Sneezing is like your body's way of hitting the reset button for your nose. When something irritating, like dust, pollen, or even a strong smell, tickles the lining of your nose, it triggers a chain reaction. Your brain gets the message and signals your body to expel the intruder. What follows is a coordinated effort. Your chest muscles tighten, your throat closes briefly, and a burst of air shoots out of your nose and mouth at up to 100 miles per hour. It's your body's way of saying, out you go. So every sneeze is your system's built-in cleanup crew doing its job with flair. Gesundheit,